Audio Jungle.
Ford announced early Friday that it will be adjusting production targets for 2024 in order to crank out more mid-size trucks and SUVs. The former will be accomplished by adding a third shift and 900 new jobs to the company's Michigan assembly facility in Wayne, Michigan in United States. Ford's mid-size Ranger pickup truck has been totally redesigned for the 2024 model year, adopting bolder front-end styling inspired by the larger F-150. While Ford sells the Ranger with a turbo diesel V6 in some overseas markets, the American version comes with a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine as standard. Unlike last year's Ranger, which was offered in two distinct body styles, the new one is only available as a crew cab with 4 full-size doors. 2024 Ford Ranger production has been severely constrained for months now, with just 259 units being built in August, followed by 15 in September and 0 in October as the UAW strike halted assembly lines. In November, MAP churned out 256 examples of the brand new midsize pickup, and that number increased by 57% in December to a paltry 402 units. That also means Ford built a total of 29,558 Rangers in the 2023 calendar year. The price of the 2024 Ford Ranger starts at $34,265 and goes up to $45,225 depending on the trim and options. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.